Hey folks, it's JT. How you doing today? Say I'm at my reloading desk here. Top of it's kind of messy. I got some stuff in. I got stuff I got to put away. But I wanted to show you something that I got in. I was looking for something to charge my cell phone or my GPS or my little tablet. If I was away from home and didn't have power, or if the power went out here, I could use something to charge my my phone, stuff like that. We do have a big Energy Apex solar charger, but I wanted something a little more portable too. So let me show you what I found here. Let's see if I can't move it down here. I'll try to. I don't have very good lighting in this room, so I'm sorry about that. I think my light here is on as bright as it goes. Yeah. All right. So, I just got this in the other day. And this is a 15,000 milliamp hour battery bank. And the neat thing about this is it's for outdoor use. So if you have it in your pocket, it falls out, drops in the water or anything, it has O-ring seals on it. It's waterproof. And I'll open up the other side here. You have two outlets and an inlet right there. Now, I also got this little accessory with it right here. This screws into the bottom. It's a stand. And then I have this collar right here that came with it. And you put that collar on there. And then this little light right here. Oops, I got to take off the little rubber foot. There we go. Put that aside for now. This just clips in, just like that. And now, my battery bank is a lamp, which makes it for a lot better lighting in this area right here, so that's cool. Now, this stand is also designed in a way where, you see that round thing right there? That's so you can hang it upside down inside your tent or wherever you're using it, under the hood of your vehicle if you have to work on it. So it's pretty clever. Now, this case right here has a charge controller. And if you open up this case, it's a solar panel. Now the solar panel has hooks on it that you can hang it from. You know, hang it from your tent or tree limb or whatever you want. But it also has these feet here on the bottom. So that you can set it down and angle it towards the sun. And that'll recharge your battery bank. You can also charge your phone and other stuff with it. So I thought that was pretty neat. And I like how everything just stows away in one small package. So anyway, I'll finish putting the rest away when I'm done. Anyway, I learned about this from one of Dave Canterbury's videos. He's testing it out right now too. And, you know, if you're looking for something to use in an emergency to charge up your cell phone, maybe your tablet, stuff like that, you know, if the power goes out or you have a natural emergency or man-made emergency and you just, you know, if you need to grab and go, you can take it with you. Yeah, you could use a charger in your vehicle too, but then you got to run your vehicle, so you're wasting gas. This way here, you don't waste any gas and you can charge up your things. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you all have a great week. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Take care.